My friend, my friend, my friend, my friend who has been on the earth for many years in this body, my friend who has been creative and who has stood on the earth as a man in a new way. My friend, I speak to you. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Feel the energy vibration of the violet cape, all of you. And my friend, son of the light, I speak to you. Do not sorrow for your friend as she moves through the pain of her body to go to a new place. She is in the process of releasing the body in such, I don't know what that is, releasing the body in such deterioration, especially in the lungs, the area of grief. She is releasing grief patterns so that the body can be light and go to a place where it will enjoy light. She's releasing the karma of many years and releasing her condemnation of herself. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Put all the things that disturb you into the violet flame. Imagine a large bonfire in your living room, a bonfire that would not burn anything except that which you wish to release. And imagine throwing into that bonfire those things you no longer need. Throwing in that bonfire those irritations at work, those disharmonies. Throwing them into the bonfire and letting them be changed by the violet flame. Do not look for the change to be in the material. Know that the change is happening in the immaterial. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Drawing the breath in. The violet flame fans through your bodies. The violet flame, the amethyst ray. Use the sniffy breath, use the bellows breath right now to fan that flame in your belly and in your body. If the body is warm, then put the tip of the tongue on the roof of the mouth. But sniff out. The violet flame is growing in your cells and in your body. Focus on the violet flame. Take a deep breath now and focus on the gift that I have given you. I asked you last month to release control. You have not realized how much you control. Many of you control out of the deep need to be the defender, the protector. Many of you control out of the need to try to make harmony out of chaos. Many of you control and hang on to things that you don't even realize that you control. I am Saint Germain. I have given you the breath. You can call it the Saint Germain breath or the sniff-ha breath. The sniff-ha breath is sniffing out through the nose and hawing out through the mouth without stopping to take an inner breath. That will become automatic. This is a breath that helps you let go. This is a breath that helps you move into the flow. This is a breath that is a gift from myself. Between now and the fall equinox, you may use this breath and you may continue to look at places in your life where you tried to control somebody, something, some outcome, some reality. Let go of control. Learn to be at the top of the hill, letting yourself roll down the hill with complete abandon. Rolling, rolling, rolling. Learn to be at the top of the hill, jumping into the sled and letting yourself be carried forth. Enjoy the ride. I am Saint Germain, guardian of the violet flame. Try my breath now. Keep your back straight, your lower back straight. Push your heart out. You can perhaps push your hand on the belly and push your chest out to give yourself that open heart. Take a few deep cleansing breaths and go into the rhythm of sniff, ha, 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 ha. Cannot do this breath without laughing. That is part of the transformational energy of this breath. If you fully sniff out and ha out, you will find your lips beginning to curve. Let them curve. Let go. Don't try to be serious and control. Let it go and you will find the laughter bubbling up. This is transmutation. This is transmutation. You don't quite understand it. Magic wands are not needed. Magic wands are not needed. The violet flame is with you when you call on me, Saint Germain, Saint Germain, Saint Germain of the violet flame. Sniff, ha, 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 ha.